Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this Le Creuset Silicone French 8-inch trivet is a beautiful and practical way to protect surfaces from hot pans and dishes. I love that it matches my other Le Creuset pieces, but it's so neutral that it would match all different types of colors and styles. It's so lightweight, it's easy to store, and I'm able to just pop it in the dishwasher to clean it. And I love how it works so well on my counters, or I can put it on the table to protect my table when I have hot dishes that I'm serving food with. And it looks so intricate and fancy. But let me tell you, this Le Creuset trivet is a workhorse in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.